Have you ever thought of making money while playing games? Sounds like a dream, right? But what if this dream could be your reality? Introducing TallyUP, your golden ticket to a world where playtime equals payday. This free mobile app turns your gaming skills into real cash. It's quick, it's competitive, and it's legitimately fun. TallyUP is at your fingertips, whether you're an iOS enthusiast or an Android aficionado. And the world agrees. TallyUP boasts a stellar 4.8-star rating from over 10,000 reviews. Plus, it's already been downloaded over 1 million times. So you're in good company. Picture this. You're playing games, having fun, and the next thing you know, you're cashing in. You're not just winning in the game, you're winning in life. That's the magic of TallyUP. Imagine turning your gaming time into earning time. With TallyUP, it's not just a dream anymore. So how does TallyUP work? It's simple, fun, and rewarding. Imagine a game show that you can access right at your fingertips. That's TallyUP. It's a unique gaming experience that's 100% free to play. You're not just playing, you're competing, and the stakes are high with the chance to win up to millions of dollars in real prize money. This isn't just about playing games. It's about ranking among the top winners. When you rank high, you share a part of the prize pool, which can go up to $10,000. Think about that. Join a tournament, compete, rank among the top, and share in the prize pool. It's a game changer. But that's not all. TallyUP is full of surprises and additional ways to earn. Let's start with the mystery prize boxes. Imagine this. Each day you get the chance to open a box filled with random cash rewards. It's like a daily dose of suspense and thrill right in your pocket. Then there's the mega spins. These aren't just your ordinary spins. The mega spins cater to a special reward wheel, opening up a whole new avenue for big wins. It's like a mini lottery. And the best part, you get to spin it. And let's not forget the daily challenges. TallyUP offers you these additional opportunities to earn cash. Each day brings a new challenge and a new way to boost your earnings. Finally, the icing on the cake, the referral program. Invite your friends to join TallyUP. And for each successful referral that results in a new player joining and actively participating, you get rewarded. From daily cash rewards to earning by referring, TallyUP truly offers a multifaceted earning experience. What's the point of winning if you can't enjoy your earnings, right? Well, TallyUP has got you covered. Now let's talk about the cash out process. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. After accumulating your wins from playing games, joining tournaments, and completing daily challenges, you can easily cash out via PayPal. Yes, you heard that right. Real money straight to your PayPal account. TallyUP is committed to a seamless and legitimate cash out process, ensuring you get your earnings without a hitch. With just a few taps on your screen, your winnings are transferred to your PayPal account. No complex procedures, no hidden charges, just pure convenience. Let's not forget, TallyUP is more than just a gaming app. It's an opportunity to earn while having fun. So, what are you waiting for? Take the leap, download TallyUP, and start playing to win. Remember, with TallyUP, the tiny games bring big money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos like this one.